Hey, there. Welcome to Resumaker. Resumaker is an online resume builder to create your resume using artificial intelligence. Let's get started. You can log into Resumaker with your Google or Facebook account or sign up with email. First-time users get 7 days free trial. After login, select template. Now you provide information for resumes such as education, employment, work experience, projects, skill set, achievements, certificate and trainings, hobbies and languages. You can select answers to 3 questions. Interface is very friendly, so you will not find any difficulties for filling along the way. After filling in all the details, at the right top click on Preview Your Resume. There you see your resume preview. To customize, click on left side options like templates, theme color, fonts, section titles and arrange section. Here is how you can change templates. And now with just one click you can change theme colors. Same as that, you can change header styling, fonts as well. By clicking on any title, you will get more options at section level. You can also switch back to Builder anytime. You can play around with all these customization options according to your design choice. Once done, go to Action panel at right side to save changes and generate resume. This will download your resume in PDF with all customizations you have made. See the PDF, which exactly looks like what you see in the preview. Here is your resume ready.